So now we get to block one. And the first thing we're going to look at as we scroll down is the Omnibus test of model coefficients. So this is where we actually determine whether the model itself actually matters. We're essentially asking, do all the predictors we added give us a better model than if we had just used block zero as it is? So the good news is resounding yes in that our chi-square of 192.3 with a p-value of 0.01. That tells us that our model is statistically significant. That tells us our variables aren't just noise. They're helping the model actually recognize students who are at risk. So we know that from this omnibus test, which is a very straightforward output, that we know that we have something that's worthwhile based on the predictors that we've added off of the base rate of 85.5%. Hope you enjoyed this. If you got value out of it, go ahead, hit subscribe, and look forward to putting out more videos for you.